Turn it down.
Okay, we're over here putting a Hearthstone Pinnacle Pristine shingle on by Atlas. We're putting the aluminum pans in the valleys now. Jeremy's on that. Go ahead. And after this, we're obviously getting ready to put some water and ice shield in as well. I'll show you the process with all of this here. And obviously when you nail this aluminum in, you want to stay off of the center section. This is just a leak deterrent, just an extra step in what we do when you get a roof put in by Rango here. You want to roll this water and ice shield up there or no?
Yeah, we'll see. Well, I'm trying. I'm trying.
Obviously we put the tarps down to minimize any nails and trash in the yard and the landscaped areas here. Got a man down here cleaning all the nails up, all the trash as it comes down. Now we're putting the water and ice guard over the top of this aluminum pan.
Still got enough.
This water and ice shield is 100% waterproof. Usually this is where you're going to have the problems of any leaks coming in the house is around your roof penetration, such as these vents here coming out. Valleys especially, this is where these two roof lines actually come together. You got a lot of water coming off of both roofs coming into one area, so it's just extremely important that you take the time and put the proper products down that's going to last. These are lifetime shingles that we're putting on this house, so you know lifetime shingles are only as good as the prep work. Obviously all the tar paper is stripped down to the bare decking, and I'm going to hop up here in 1 second to show you what the titanium UDL underlayment is. That's a synthetic underlayment that we actually weave over the top of this entire roof and valley. 100% waterproof. Actually, just the UDL alone carries a 6-month warranty against any UV rays or any water infiltration if you put it down the way it needs to be. So I'm going to actually hop up here and kind of show you a little bit of progress, middle way progress through this roof as to what we're doing, and give you an idea of what the Hearthstone color actually looks like here. Okay, Steve, let me try to squeeze in by you over here. We're always blessed to listen to Mr. Jeremy Parsons' music selection here. He's usually playing the oldies. So I'm going to hop up here.
Mind your way, boss. Sorry.
Alright, it's okay. Let me see that rope right there, Jeremy. Kind of give a full effect as to how all of this looks. So we got the titanium UDO underlayment. This is what we're doing now. We're putting this in. This valley also had the water and ice shield put in. And then obviously we're wrapping and lacing the valleys with the UDL. I'm going to hop up here really quick and show you the progress on this other side and show you what these dimensional Hearthstone shingles looks like. So bear with me 1 second here. So we're putting the roof on the back porch. We just finished the back side of this roof earlier today. Just some nice dimensional lines. It's got gray, some shades of black in there. It's a really nice looking dimensional effect here with these shingles. You know, this is the best view money can't buy right here. Right on the rooftop. And obviously we've got to finish installing the caps to actually cap this ridge off, but you see that we don't use the UDL sparingly. We actually wrap it across the adjoining roof, so it's going to be 100% watertight for many, many years. I'll walk up this ridge and show you the other side of this roof as well. This is for tomorrow. We've got to tear all of the shingles out here, wrap everything up. This is the truck that you need to see in front of your house if you want a good job. Very nice looking roof system here. One that will definitely last a lifetime. You can actually see how far John's running these shingles up the opposing roof as well. So just bear in mind, we've got aluminum down in these valleys, we've got water and ice shield on top of that, then we're running the shingles a good 2 feet up past the adjoining roof line. Then we do what's called a cut valley, which is what this looks like here. We cut it 45 degrees all the way down. So it is laced up and watertight, guaranteed never to leak. So as you see, guys, just a mid view of what this roof installation entails and what happens with the small details, because that's really what matters. It's always the small details that make any job last a long time like it should. On a lifetime shingle, you should get a lifetime roof out of it. So you always want to make sure your bases are covered. You know, water and ice shield in the valleys, aluminum pans, titanium UDL, cut valleys versus weaved, 6 nails versus 3 in the shingles. Guys that's certified, that's did this for 20 plus years, and this is what you're getting out here, guys. So it's kind of a midway view as to what to look at here. Obviously we're going to have the ridge vent put over the tops of these ridges that we've cut out earlier. Show you what that is. Cut the roof out for proper ventilation. So the roof can actually breathe. Cool air is actually inhaled from the soffit vents and exhaled through the ridge vents. So I'll actually show you the final video here in about 2 more days. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.